They call me Croft, Lara Croft. I've been sent here on a mission to reveal to you how I slay my costume, hair and makeup. Welcome everyone, let's get this show on the road. You will need a lace frontal wig made by TheBossLook, of course, some comfortable black boots, knee-high socks, £2 Primark, some leggings, £2.50, harness, £9.99 times 2, £2.50 vest top, and my guns, £1 each, £2. And some black spray paint, yes, and you're ready for the next step. First step, decide how short you want your crop top and cut it off. Cut your vest up in 2. Next step, I measured how short I wanted my shorts and I simply cut it off. And it should look something like this. It is time to secure the gun holsters. You literally just slide them under and secure the Velcro. Repeat for both sides. Oh yeah. Now it's time to spray those guns. Using your spray paint, just spray a coat, let it dry, flip it over and spray the other side and you have 2 guns. I should have actually opened them up and sprayed the inside, but you can do that. So here's a quick tutorial of my eyebrows. So I like to start with pencil and then just go in with some concealer. I try to do them as high as possible to kind of get that angry Croft look. I then went in with some colour corrector to coat my bag my bags, and now I'm going in with my foundation. Anyways, now I'm just going to go in with my Fawn concealer from LA Girl Pro and just highlight my face. Blend, 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 and now this is just some white powder. I can't remember the name, but you can use like banana powder or something, anything, just don't get in your eye. To make my eyes pop a little bit, I'm going in with my L'Oreal mascara, hitting the top and the bottom lash. Yes, here are my Victorious lashes in 0037. I'm liking them a lot. Finish off strong with my MAC highlighter, guys. I started off with the stocking cap method, and I'm just going to go ahead with some got-to-be to spray along the hairline and lay that lace. Enjoy, guys. Again, I made this wig. You can get your own at TheBossLook, Salon, 212 Rye Lane, SE154 and L. Lace ain't even laid yet and I look cute. So what you want to do now is just make sure that the lace is in front of your cap and just go ahead and cut along in a zigzag fashion all the way along your hairline. Now I'm just going to quickly apply 2 layers of got-to-be and seal it with the spray. I'm going to blow dry it all until it becomes extremely tacky, and I'm now just laying that edge. Lay it, lay it, lay it. Tell me, does this not look like just amazing? The braid. Next step, grab your mother like I did. I'm using some olive oil mousse to just secure the flyaways and give it that shiny, strong look. Make sure you grab 2 strands of hair for that Lara Croft look. You can have both of them on one side or to either side. The braid pattern that we use within this video is the inside braid. You can also use like a fishtail or even a normal cane row if that's all you know. My mama did that. She did that. My fellow Nigerians would call this the Didi braid, inside cornrow. DD, not DD from Dexter's Laboratory, just DD. Costume's ready, braid is done, and makeup is lit. Now, you heard the word. Get the strap. What you're about to witness is not for the faint-hearted. You have been warned. It has been an absolute pleasure having you guys here. For the ones that have made it to the end, please do like, share and subscribe. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at TheBossLook. Thanks guys.